Hi guys, so today we are turning up the heat and diving into the incredible coastal flavors of Goa. Forget what you think about Vindaloo. This isn't just spicy, it's a harmonious blend of tang, deep savory notes and that unmistakable chili kick. We are making authentic Goan Prawn Vindaloo. The secret to this classic dish is freshly ground masala paste. We are using whole Kashmiri chilies for color and heat, balanced beautifully by the essential ingredients vinegar, which gives the dish its signature sharpness and depth. This recipe is all about developing those layered flavors. I'll walk you through the precise steps to make sure your vindaloo is rich, perfectly balanced and guaranteed to impress. It's bold, beautiful curry that is surprisingly easy to master. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 20 to 25 large prawns, washed, cleaned and de-shelled. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for half an hour. Then to make the vindaloo masala for prawns, add 10 to 12 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 4 bedki chilies, 1 inch ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 5 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 15 black peppercorns, 7 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup Goan vinegar. Add more if required. And then blend this to a smooth paste. Make sure you do not add any water. So the vindaloo masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Then add the marinated prawns. And fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Until the prawns are nice and firm and changes its color. So as you can see that the prawns are slightly firm now. This will help to release the flavor out of the prawns. When ready, remove it in a separate plate. Then in the same pan, add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the vindaloo masala paste which was previously made. And cook the masala for about 3 to 4 minutes until the masala paste is nice and thick, and cook it until it changes to dark red color. As you can see that the masala paste is nice and dark red now. Then add 2 cups water and then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 stock cubes, and then give it a nice mix. Then add the cooked prawns and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. So as you can see that the oil is separated on the surface. Make sure it is something like this. This shows that the curry is cooked perfectly. Then give it a nice mix. If you do not like a thick gravy, then you can add more water. So the Goan Prawn Vindaloo is ready now. And there you have it guys, our magnificent Goan Prawn Vindaloo. Look at that incredible fiery color and that richness of that sauce. It has that perfect balance of heat, tang from the vinegar and the savory sweetness of the prawns. The only way to enjoy this is with steamed white rice to soak up all that beautiful sauce, or maybe some warm pav, also known as Goan bread. This is a curry that truly gets better overnight, so make a big batch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.